As I-35 between Ames and Minnesota was closed due to these whiteout conditions, we saw Sunday people on the interstate had to alter their travel plans. We met an Ames family heading home Sunday who experienced the dangerous conditions, but also found Iowa nice in overdrive. And look at those faces. You could tell they were very relieved. Marcus McIntosh has the story you'll only see on KCCI.
Raphael and Sarah Soriano and their kids were trying to get back home to Ames on Sunday afternoon. Now, the trip to New Hampton, which usually takes maybe 2.5 to 3 hours, took more than 24 hours. They checked radar and weather and thought they were ahead of any problematic weather pattern. Once they turned south onto I-35 in Mason City, the trouble hit high gear.
Once the wind and the flurries came up, it was more than we expected.
It happened really quick, faster than we expected to.
Sarah detailed their experience on Facebook. The accidents all around them, the semis that jackknifed on the road, whiteout conditions, mile markers that disappeared. They wanted to get off the interstate.
Most of those exits don't have any services either. So as the gas gauge is dropping, I want to get off the road.
They had to coordinate their moves, communicating with each other with their cell phones in speaker mode.
We were driving two cars. So Sarah was driving the van, and I was driving my car with my son in the back.
They ended up pulling over to the shoulder of the road. Another driver saw them and came over.
He had already talked to the state patrol, and so he came over to talk to us and said he found out about the Latimer Community Center being open.
And the first thing he asked us is if we needed help.
Once they arrived at the Latimer Community Center, relief set in.
Immediately, it was just very peaceful in there.
And the Iowa Nice took over. People cooked food, brought blankets and other essentials, trying to make them feel as comfortable as possible. As many as 60 people sought refuge in the community center. The help never slowed.
They just showed up. There's not much in Latimer. There's no gas station. There's no, that little store was right next door, and her staying open and realizing, oh, there's a bunch of kids there, just bags of toys for the kids, you know, out of her own stock.
The three Soriano kids made their best of the situation, from getting out one of their guinea pigs to show the children there to finding a place to simply relax.
They just thought it was a great adventure.
The Sorianos were able to leave the community center about 11:30 on Monday afternoon. They say they can't say thank you enough to everyone who helped on their way. In Ames, Marcus McIntosh, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.